Welcome back. We are with
Kiona.
Kiana. How long have you been coming?
She said a year, but I've been here longer than that. She broke up with me.
I did not break up with you. Okay, y'all, I did not break up with Kiana. What happened? What really happened, Kiana? What really happened?
I actually broke up with her.
Yes. Why did you break up with me?
Because I felt I didn't have enough money.
Was that really it, or?
No, it wasn't.
Y'all, she had another set of locks in this that was all the way down her back that she cut off. Beautiful set. I only did her hair once. And after that, I didn't see her no more. What happened, Kiana?
No, we did come back.
You came back? Before you cut the locks?
I don't remember. I plead the fifth.
Okay, so she came back with a second set of locks that she put in herself, and they were not doing well. So what did we have to do?
Start over.
So she had to comb those locks out, and then we had to put these locks in. So this is your third set.
Mm-hmm.
And you have been locked for a year?
A year.
Yes. How do you like this set of locks?
Actually, 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
It's 2 years?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I hope.
I don't think it's 2 years.
Okay.
Maybe a year and some change, not 2 years.
But I love these.
Why do you like these?
At first, I didn't like them because I didn't want them to be this big. I wanted them small. But I love the maintenance of them. I don't have to do too much. I can maintain them better. They don't pop.
What she's not telling y'all is she started like this. Little bitty, really little locks up here that she couldn't even shake or move.
They were shaking.
Now they're over here touching her shoulders. They done grew a lot.
Mm-hmm.
They're much healthier. They feel good.
Yes. I can't wait to get some curls.
So her other set of locks was all the way down here. She had nice curls. It was very bouncy. They were cute. But
depression stepped in.
So, what we gonna do today?
A wash and set. A wash and twist, a retwist. And I can't wait for you to put your fingers in my head.
When we get in, we just start scratching and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And then, so we're just gonna do regular retwist today.
Regular retwist.
Cool. We will see y'all when she gets back. Peace.